This is the instructional video on how to apply and remove your overcovered bike cover. Best way to start is with the front wheel. Start with a white loop around the front wheel, about 3 to 4 nipples up from the very bottom. Next, you want to take the cover and pull it to the rear of the bike. Pull it as tight and as taut as you can. You want to get all of the slack, all the wrinkles if you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to get the cover all the way to the back. It'll get hung up on the seat and the handlebars, so make sure you work the cover to the rear of the bike. Next, you want to tie the black wheel loop around the rear wheel, again about 3 to 4 nipples up from the very bottom. Then you want to attach the gray loops underneath the cover that will secure the cover to the rack. So using these 4 loops secures the cover to the bike and the cover to the rack. Lastly, you can attach the bike locks to the grommet and you are set. To remove the cover, just start with either the front or the rear, remove the wheel loops, remove the rack straps, and that's it. Everything's Velcro, and make sure you trim the gray rack straps to your correct fit when you get the cover, because they are purposely oversized to fit a variety of different covers. You can put the cover back in the storage case or just stuff it back in your car to put on after you trim it. That's it.